An open letter to the President of Kenya, President William Ruto. Date Saturday, 26th of July 2025. Dear President William Ruto, I write to you today with deep concern and a sincere heart, hoping that these words will be received not as criticism but a call to reflection, an invitation to realign with the original hopes that brought you to power. On September 13, 2022, you assumed office as the President of Kenya. Since then, you've made effort to improve the country and fulfill your promises. However, the reality is that those efforts have not produced the desired results. The people of Kenya elected you because they thought you could relate to their struggles. But it has turned out that you have become an agenda of the West to plunge the people further into poverty and underdevelopment. Your story was an example of grace to grace, but now you've abused that grace. That there are many cases of corruption and land grabbing associated with your government. Your policies and agenda have not improved the lives of the people. Instead, they have made life harder for them. The foreign powers that brought you in are leading your government. They are telling you what to do and how to do it. Biden invited you for a state visit to the US to ensnare you further into their political chess game, where you are just a pawn. With the military and economic grab of your government, there is no way you will bring the growth and development that your nation truly needs. The IMF and World Bank gave you loans to dictate what to do and to make you inflict more pain on your people. There's no account of how those billions of dollars were spent, but there is a plan for how you pay them back by increasing taxes and milking the ordinary citizens. The people of Kenya had a beacon of hope at the beginning of a government, but now you've let them down and there is no trust in your leadership. A protest by the youth is met with brutal attacks from the police. The security forces killed unarmed young people who are simply protesting over the bad economic situation of the country and your policies. The agenda of the West to ruin your government and give you a bad reputation is still very much on. They can threaten you with many things, including cases of corruption and crimes against humanity, which the International Criminal Court in The Hague once held against you. But because of the agenda, they dropped it and made you a pawn to their political chess game. You know they have no good intention for you or your people, yet you listen to them. You do their bidding. Those who lure you to do evil are the same ones who will hold you ransom and report you to the public. This is their way of evil. You had a good story, grace to grace, that really inspired a lot of people. You hustled your way to the top and held godly beliefs. But ever since you've taken higher political office, your morality and humanity have dropped. Young people are no longer inspired. They are tired of you and your government. I urge you, Mr. President, to find your God and reconcile with your people. Let them know you are there because of them, not because of your own personal gain. Set up organizations and committees that will address youth challenges. Bring economic and financial freedom to your people. Set a good example by cutting down on your expenses as a president and create a neutral agency that will clamp down on corruption. You were a beacon of hope. Let that hope be restored. Let your dignity and integrity be appreciated, and let your legacy be transgenerational. There's no other place you will call home apart from Kenya, and there's no other people you will call your people apart from Kenyans. Leave tribal politics and focus on uniting your people. Do one good thing that your people will forever appreciate you for. You are still strong and vibrant. Invest your energy in your people. Be transparent enough to let your people know what is going on with your government. You can't be working for the West against your people. That would be the greatest disservice. It will backfire on you and your generation. Don't sacrifice your future for immediate gain. Pull your nation from the trap of the West and let your people chart their own course. Kenya is a nation of smart and intelligent people. Let their ideas bring progress and development to their own land. I hope good things come out of your government at the end of the day. Things that people in Kenya and across Africa will celebrate you for long after you're gone. Thank you for your rapt attention. Eso Uweye, MD, recipients of God at gmail.com.